Have you ever considered how seemingly unrelated symptoms can be signs of a serious underlying condition? Liver damage, often known as a silent disease, can manifest in various unusual ways. Early detection is crucial because the liver has an extraordinary ability to heal itself when given proper care. According to the American Liver Foundation, 25% of adults in the USA are affected by liver disease. Surprisingly, excessive alcohol consumption is not the only culprit. Factors such as processed foods, excessive sugar, vegetable oils, overuse of painkillers and viruses can also lead to liver damage. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into 12 unusual signs of liver damage, supported by examples, personal experiences, and explanations. Number 1. Pale stool. Have you ever noticed a change in the color of your stool? It might seem trivial, but it can be an indicator of liver damage. The liver produces bile, a substance that helps digest fats and gives stool its brown color. When the liver is damaged, bile flow can be obstructed, resulting in lighter, clay-colored stools. This condition can also cause the stool to float due to undigested fats. For instance, a patient named Jane experienced pale stools and frequent bloating. Upon consultation, she was diagnosed with a fatty liver, which hindered bile flow. Early detection and dietary changes helped her liver recover. Number 2. Nyctalopia, poor night vision. Did you know that difficulty seeing at night could be linked to your liver health? The liver is responsible for producing retinol-binding protein, which transports vitamin A to the retina. Damage to the liver can lead to a deficiency in this protein, impairing low-light vision. Consider John, who struggled with night driving due to poor vision. After a thorough examination, it was discovered that his liver was not functioning optimally, leading to a vitamin A deficiency. With appropriate treatment and liver support, his night vision improved significantly. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Number 3. Swollen right foot peripheral edema, or swelling in the legs and feet, is another sign of liver damage. The liver produces albumin, a protein that maintains fluid balance in the body. When liver function is compromised, albumin production decreases, causing fluid to accumulate in the lower extremities. Take Sarah, for example. She noticed persistent swelling in her right foot. Medical tests revealed low albumin levels due to liver dysfunction. With proper medication and dietary adjustments, the swelling reduced, highlighting the importance of early diagnosis. Number 4. White or yellow bumps around the eyelids. Have you ever seen white or yellowish bumps around someone's eyelids? These are cholesterol deposits known as xanthelasma, often indicating liver issues. When the liver cannot break down cholesterol efficiently, it starts accumulating in various parts of the body, including the eyelids. Michael, a middle-aged man, developed xanthelasma and was later diagnosed with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Addressing his liver health through lifestyle changes helped reduce the cholesterol deposits and improved his overall well-being. Number 5. Right-sided pressure. Feeling pressure or discomfort on the right side of your ribcage, especially after eating, can be a sign of liver damage. This sensation occurs because damaged liver cells can thicken bile, blocking ducts and creating pressure. Lisa experienced such discomfort regularly. Upon medical consultation, it was discovered that her liver was inflamed. With proper treatment, including dietary changes and medication, the pressure subsided, underscoring the need for timely medical attention. Number 6. Purple or red bumps on the skin. Liver damage can impair the production of essential proteins like fibrinogen, crucial for blood clotting. This deficiency can result in easy bruising and unusual purple or red bumps on the skin. James noticed frequent bruising and red spots on his legs. Tests revealed poor blood circulation due to liver disease. Medical intervention helped manage his symptoms and improved his liver function. Number 7. Cracked heels. Cracked heels might seem like a minor issue, but they can indicate liver damage. The liver uses vitamin B3, niacin, to repair itself. When the liver is overworked, it depletes vitamin B3, leading to skin issues like cracked heels. Emma suffered from persistent cracked heels despite using various creams. A liver function test revealed deficiencies due to liver stress. Dietary supplements and lifestyle changes improved her liver health and resolved the cracked heels. Number 8. White or swollen nails. Have you ever noticed white or swollen nails? This could be a sign of severe liver damage. A study in the 1950s found that individuals with liver scarring often had white nails. Clubbed nails, characterized by round and enlarged fingertips, can also indicate chronic hypoxia linked to liver diseases. Tom's nails became white and swollen. A medical examination revealed significant liver scarring. With appropriate treatment, including lifestyle changes, his liver health improved and his nails returned to normal. Number 9. Dark urine. Dark yellow or brown urine can be a symptom of liver damage. The liver filters waste products, including bilirubin from the blood. When the liver is damaged, bilirubin builds up, darkening the urine. Anna noticed her urine was unusually dark. Tests confirmed high bilirubin levels due to liver dysfunction. Early intervention and dietary adjustments helped her manage the condition effectively. Number 10. Jaundice. Jaundice, characterized by yellowing of the skin, eyes, and mucous membranes, is a significant indicator of liver damage. It occurs when bilirubin accumulates due to the liver's inability to process it. Paul developed jaundice and was diagnosed with liver disease. Immediate medical attention and a strict liver-friendly diet helped manage his condition and improve his liver function. Number 11. Spider veins. Spider veins, or telangiectasias, are small, dilated blood vessels that appear near the skin surface. Elevated estrogen levels due to liver damage can increase pressure in veins, causing them to become visible. Mary noticed spider veins on her face and legs. Medical tests revealed elevated estrogen levels linked to liver damage. Treatment focused on liver health improved her condition and reduced the visibility of spider veins. Number 12. Itchy skin. Persistent itchy skin can be a sign of liver damage. Bile acids build up under the skin when the liver fails to filter them out, causing itching. David suffered from severe itching. Tests showed high bile acid levels due to liver dysfunction. Medical intervention and lifestyle changes helped reduce the itching and improved his liver health. Healing the liver damage progresses through stages, from fat accumulation to inflammation, fibrosis, and cirrhosis. The liver's remarkable ability to heal itself means that with proper care it can recover. Here are some steps to support liver health. Step 1. Dietary adjustments. Start your day with organic coffee and turmeric. Both contain compounds that reduce scar tissue and support liver repair. Drink at least 1 liter of water daily to aid bile production and eliminate toxins. Incorporate liver-cleansing herbs and spices such as ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, dandelion root, milk thistle, reishi mushrooms, green tea, and cloves. These natural remedies can enhance liver function and promote detoxification. Step 2. Avoid inflammatory oils. Eliminate inflammatory oils like corn, cottonseed, canola, rapeseed, soy oil, margarine, and low-quality processed olive oil. Replace them with anti-inflammatory fats such as butter, tallow, extra virgin olive oil, and coconut oil. These healthier alternatives support liver health and reduce inflammation. Step 3. Sulfur-rich foods. Include sulfur-rich foods in your diet, such as leafy greens, arugula, radishes, garlic, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, cabbage, mushrooms, pastured eggs, oily fish, walnuts, onions, scallions, and broccoli sprouts. These foods boost glutathione levels, aiding in liver detoxification and fat removal. Step 4. Reduce sugary foods. Avoid processed and sugary foods. Limit sugary, starchy, and flour-based foods like bread, biscuits, sweets, ketchup, pancakes, pasta, and soda drinks. The liver is sensitive to fructose, similar to alcohol, so avoiding fruit juices and alcohol is essential for recovery. Step 5. Supplements. Consider purified bile supplements such as TUDCA, purified bile salts, or digestive enzymes containing ox bile. These supplements, taken on an empty stomach, can eliminate liver fat and prevent gallbladder stones. Consult a healthcare professional to determine the most appropriate supplements for your needs. Step 6. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting gives your liver a break, reducing liver fat, improving insulin sensitivity, and lowering inflammation. It also triggers a cleansing process that removes toxins from the liver. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Understanding these unusual signs of liver damage can empower you to take proactive steps towards maintaining liver health. Regular checkups, a liver-friendly diet, and lifestyle changes can significantly improve liver function and overall well-being. If you notice any of these signs, consult a healthcare professional for appropriate diagnosis and treatment. Your liver is vital for your health, and taking care of it can lead to a healthier, happier life.